Checking out Devon House today in Jamaica. So it's basically in Halfway Tree, Jamaica, and it's just a famous tourist attraction here in Jamaica, built in 1881 by George Steeble, I believe. And they sell gourmet ice cream, and they have restaurants with fancy patties and so on. So let's check it out, guys. So they're just checking temperatures, guys, for COVID protocols. That's a boss. They got a spa here. So here they have the artisan village at Devon House, guys. Seems to be under construction still. And the commissary right here, and that's just across from, I believe it's called Ritual Spa. I got Dorothy here with me.
Hi.
Rate the fit, guys, 1 to 10.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, it's called Island Ritual Spa. It's the entrance we just came through, and so we're gonna walk around the property, guys, and check it out. Here's some of the restaurants, guys, that they have over here. And Devon House is famous for their ice cream, guys, so we're gonna try that out later. Alright, let's check out this goat patty. So I got Dorothy the goat patty and cran strawberry water. So let's see how it is.
I haven't even gone to the filling proper yet. It's good.
So guys, Dorothy absolutely demolished the curry patty.
Like in like what, 5 minutes?
How was it?
So good.
Yeah. So we got this from the Devon House Bakery, guys, which is just right here. Pretty impressive. What's up? So it's a public holiday out here, guys, in Jamaica. Ash Wednesday. Guys, check out this mango tree right here in the middle of Devon House. But this is the line for the ice cream area. Devon House ice cream. One of the most popular ice cream in Jamaica. And everybody's just out here picnicking and eating ice cream, having a good time, guys. There's even a kids play area on the other side of that fence. So this is Dorothy's first time at Devon House. Dorothy, how is it?
It's cute. I like it. It has like a cute vibe to it.
True. So guys, we're gonna try to join this ice cream line and see what the ice cream is like before we head elsewhere. But yeah, definitely recommend Devon House, guys. Bring the kids for a picnic or your significant other for a nice dinner or some gourmet patties. Alright guys, so we finally, after an hour,
Was it an hour?
got our grape nut ice cream. We both got waffle cone grape nut from Devon House. And there's still a lot of people out here, guys. How is it?
Really good.
It seems like every food item in Jamaica is gets the same rating. Really good.
So good. Made me a fat scoop too.
So that's it for our video of Devon House today. Hope you liked the video, guys. We'll see you in the next one.
Bye.